Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a quick video. That's daughter right there. Okay. So I'm in the kitchen and I'm going to be cooking some quick food. Some hungry man poor people food. Right, daughter?
You always have me on camera on my mash up. Oh my God.
But anyway, two mash up. I like mash up, right? But anyway, I'm going to cook some chicken back and cabbage right now. Poor people food, right? Poor. So I wanted to show you guys how, in fact, I'm going to be making. Don't pay me no. Good, your girl, I'll mash up, right? But anyway, this is going to be one quick one. We're going to cook some rice with it. The rice already there on the fire. But I'm going to show you the chicken back. I'm going to show you everything I'm going to use for the recipe. This is going to be quick. I'm not even going to edit this one, so no probably hear the dog bark, the neighbor scream, and all about something. So stay tuned for that. But let me show you right now the chicken back, right? Alright, so I have my rice I go on right there, so already. We're not going to show you that. That's the pot to make the cabbage and the rare and the chicken back, right? Now over here, so I have tomato, onion, I have scallion and thyme, bell pepper, hot pepper, and some garlic right there, so. And then I already have my cabbage all diced up already because I want to make this process really fast. And then over here, so now I have some chicken back cut up fine. It's already clean and washed with salt. Let me do some vinegar and something there. And then I have black pepper and salt right here, so. Some oatmeal seasoning. We have chicken and combo, so that's kind of total out all-purpose seasoning. And then I have some onion and garlic powder right here, so. And then right here, so now I have some ginger. Right, so we'll go ahead and put everything together. The garlic is going to go in with the vegetables, so. Make we get started. We're not going to talk no more than we're not going to sit. I just play music over this because music right now is playing at the background, okay?
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray.
Now, goodie, if your meat not seasoned up and look like that, that means you not have enough seasoning on it. So go ahead and be sure that you season up the chicken back real good. You can always substitute out some of them seasoning that me use, but be sure that you season up your meat, alright?
You in?
Alright, goodies, so now that I'm putting my chicken back into the pot, but just allow it to cook for about 10 minutes right here. Alright, so just make it do its thing and just spin it around on two sides. And then after I do that, I'm going to go in and put in my cabbage I'm gonna rest some of the vegetables them and make everything cook nice. So yeah, go on listen to some music, alright? Because I have music playing at the garage. I wouldn't want to hear YouTube mouth and them problem with them copyright. So I could just go ahead and just play some music because data in the kitchen too and data talk about some intense things but I don't want to hear.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up.
Alright goodies, so now that my chicken back all cooked, it's been cooking for about 10 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and remove them from the pot because we don't want them burn. Alright, remember it's going to finish cook once you hit it with the cabbage. Okay, so go ahead and take them out from the pot and it should look pretty much like that. Alright, now so what I'm going to do next after it's all done and looking pretty much like this, right? You don't want to overcook it for sure, right? So we're just going to go in and add in our veggies of choice. And our veggies is cabbage because the cabbage and chicken back we have cooked. Give it a nice little mix. We're going to release the flavors from the bottom with the chicken back crate. We want it to go all on them veggies, okay? But then what next we're going to do is we're going to add all our vegetables in, every single bit of that goodness. Put it on top of the cabbage, and this is where the true magic starts, right here.
Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't.
Alright goodies, so after you add all the chicken back to the cabbage and the veggies, just go ahead and add a little bit of water, not a lot. And then we are going to go in and we are going to get some butter. Be sure that you have some butter to this because the butter is going to combine everything together and it's going to give it so much flavor and it's going to be delicious. So go ahead and put up some butter. I did maybe add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter to it, and then I just covered it up and allowed it to steam for a few minutes, and then that was it. Now after about 10 minutes it was all done, nicely steamed. The veggies are nice and crisp. It's exactly what I wanted to do, and I definitely am going to eat it up with some rice tonight. White rice, I already telling you that, right? So that is it, you guys. It's all done. That's how quick it is to make chicken back and cabbage. Only can add curry up the chicken back too, but today we just brown stewed it up, right? Very, very simple.
No goodie. If you guys are still watching me cooking thus far, I must like wanna say. So make sure to subscribe if you have not already done so, and turn on the post notifications so you won't miss any other uploads, alright? And be sure to say thumbs up the videos because it does help the channel to grow, and this is how you support your channel, How to Cook. No, we're going to serve up goodie because let's just say my daughter is sitting there waiting for her plate. My husband is waiting in the background. Trust when me tell her no, okay? And so I had to share it with you guys just to make you see how amazing this thing turned out. Very cheap recipe. Little bit of cabbage, little bit of cut up chicken back, and you're good to go, okay? And these kinds of a recipe really have me remember my mother. This is some of the red things that she used to do in the kitchen when we had little to nothing, and those recipes carry me even to right now. And believe it or not, my husband loves chicken back, so guess what? A chicken back it is, okay? Just be sure that, like I said before, thumbs up the videos on your way out. I'm waiting for those thumbs up, okay? And of course, goodie, how could I leave it not letting you guys see how my daughter was ripping up her plate? She was enjoying this chicken box. May I tell you? Alright, goodie? Let's go show us how to spread this good love, alright? Tell a friend for tell a friend. Bring them, come and send them, come and waiting. And when they got done doing all of that, 10 more to want to see me cook next in the kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen. Enjoy!
Picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe